Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Redmi Note 13 5G. Whether you're a power user or just love a great phone, this one's got something for everyone. So, buckle up as we explore all its fantastic features. Introducing the Redmi Note 13 5G. First off, let's talk about the colors. This beauty comes in 4 stunning shades: Arctic White, Chromatic Purple, Prism Gold, Stealth Black. Next up, let's get into the memory options. 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. And yes, it supports dual nano SIMs with 5G connectivity for super fast internet speeds. Now let's take a look at the screen. This phone features a 6.67-inch Full HD plus OLED display for vibrant visuals, a sharp 1080x 2400 pixel resolution, ultra-narrow bezels for an immersive experience, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, a brilliant 1000 nits peak brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for top-notch durability. Let's talk cameras. A 108-megapixel triple camera system with 3x in-sensor zoom for breathtaking shots, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing more in every frame, a 2-megapixel macro camera for those fine details, plus a 16-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6086 nanometers octa-core processor, giving you all the performance you need. And let's not forget about the battery. With a massive 5000 mAh capacity and a speedy 33-watt fast charger, you'll stay powered up and on the go. Plus, it comes with a power adapter and a standard brand warranty for peace of mind. So, whether you're a tech geek or just looking for an awesome new phone, the Redmi Note 13 5G has got you covered. Are you interested? Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech updates.